Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're starting off with a storm. But today we have a 11.3 500 SRH and 4,000 cape. This is a pretty good risk for the most part. I really have hopes for this risk. And also right beside us we have a hook. So we're starting off this video with a storm and a tornado trying to develop over here. Now all we need is the rotation. And we do have rotation on the reflectivity. And there is rotation starting to come up over here. So let's go chase that tornado. Okay, that is big rotation. Holy crap. Alright, we have a funnel dropping. That's a pretty good looking cone funnel. It's also on the ground. Alright, this thing is still trying to form. I'm gonna hope this thing shifts more in an eastward direction because I also don't like chasing around here. It did shift more east, and I like that. We also have multi-vortex tornadoes in there. And there we go. We have a stovepipe on the ground. Okay, now it's shifted more south. Starbuck could get hit. If it goes a little more south, Starbuck is in the path. It's also a sidewinder, which is bad. It's red TVS also. Okay, you know, we also have a storm north, like very north. How the f did I end up here? Yo, that's strange, dog. Get me in my tiv. Oh my. Thank you. Alright, Starbuck dodged a bullet. We just have a big stovepipe on the ground. Alright, it is now pink TVS. This thing has EF3 level winds. Because ping TVS indicates that it's 140 miles per hour. And now it's going to stay in between 120 and 140. Okay, we're going to try to intercept it. This thing is widening out. This thing is growing bigger, dude. It's a wedge now. Alright, we have a really big tornado on the ground. It's destroying stuff. There's debris in the air. We have a big tornado on the ground. Oh my god, something exploded. That was a silo. Yeah, it has a big wind field. That thing has a massive wind field. Alright, we deployed. We are now gonna intercept this thing. Here we go. We're getting 100, 110, 120, 130s, 140s, 150s, 160s. EF4 strength, 170s. Oh my god. Oh, 190s. Please, 200, 200, 220, 220. Oh my god, and it's increasing. 227, 228, please. 230, 230, 230, please. 230, 230. 230. Let's go. It's increasing. Oh no. I'm in the eye. 140. 270. Oh my god. Someone got 270. I'm gonna die. I am going to die. Please, no. Oh my god, I thought a subboy was gonna hit my pro, dude. Someone got 271. That's my PB. Someone got 280. I'm getting 220. I'm gonna die. I'm actually going to die. I'm gone. Please spare me. This is sustained wins, dude. Please spare me. Please. This is the strongest tornado I've had in a while, dude. One probe is gone. No shot I survived that. Oh my gosh. How did I survive that? I'm alive. I'm alive. No way. Bro, that thing was strong, dude. Some people were getting 280. We got 241 max and it was much stronger. Some were getting 280. That's the strongest I've seen in a minute. Yep, and it is confirmed that someone did get 280. Do have another strong tornado. Oh my god! That one's strong too! Bro, what is going on this risk? We got a 280 plus tornado. This, I just saw 2 black pixels on this. And there's a white velocity. That could be like... Oh my god, this day was snorting on something, dude. Nah, you don't understand. I've never seen a tornado that strong in so long. It's been 7 months since I've seen a tornado that was... over 240. It's been 7 months. That's the beginning of the year, dude. Yeah, but there is a strong tornado over in Elmora. I'm gonna stay on this one over in that's going towards Starbuck, because even though this one is strong as hell too, I want to know what this one can do. And this thing is strengthening quick, dude. Oh my god, that's a big cone, dude. Bro, this risk is on something, dude. I made so much money from that tornado, dude. The new one, this one is pink now. Let's go. Holy shit, dude. Okay, that new one is weakening. I made a good choice with this one. This thing is big, bro. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be violent. Yeah. There's black on velocity. Okay, yep. Now we're definitely intercepting this. There's a white and black velocity. Apparently there is 4. Holy crap. Oh my god. Yeah, nah, this thing is strong. This is well over 200. 200 scan. Alright. Yep, deploying here. There we go. Yep, we're starting to get the winds. I'm deployed, right? Yeah, I'm deploying. 100, yep. Someone got 216. Alright, here we go. $129, 130s. I think we missed it a little bit. We're getting 138, 140, 150. We definitely did not miss that bad. 150 is high end EF3, EF4. 170. I think that was a gust. I think we actually intercepted it. $175, 177, 178. Someone got 230 apparently. Apparently someone got 234 gust. Oh my god, yes, bro. This has been a crazy day today. See what this one, oh my god. Yeah, I definitely don't doubt that it was 280. Because I intercepted right here and it reached peak right here. Oh my god, that was a crazy day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button. This was a crazy video today. We really got a tornado that was over 280. I haven't seen that since January. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Holy shit.